We continue our journey now. We are on parts D and E. Parts D and E is a fill out this table for the three terms in the thermodynamic equation. So you need to remember the equation Q equals delta U plus W, and you have to remember the definition. This is written by the gas, okay? The gas to the written. Expansion is positive. So look at all the things. Expansion is positive, so AB volume increase positive, BC decrease, so negative, CD decrease, so negative, DA volume increase, so positive. And look at this thing and you can get some result. For the second one, BC, okay, 0 negative, so 0 equals positive plus negative, right? So that I use a positive. And the other thing is about U. U depends on the absolute temperature. Temperature increase, U increase. So from A to B, obviously temperature increases, right? So it's a plus. And then from C to D, the temperature, the pressure, the same, volume drops to temperature drops too, so U drops, okay? So look at here. On the left hand side is Q, right? Is delta U plus W. Both are positive, so it's a positive. Both are negative, it's a negative. The last one is a little bit confusing. D to A, R diabatic process. Low heat transfer, so it's 0. You got the table, but you still need to remember what's the Q. Is transferred to the gas, okay? This is the heat transferred to the gas, okay, from the surrounding. So look at part 2, okay, details without performing any calculation. That's during the cycle, there is a net output of thermal energy. So look at this cycle. Overall, these equations still work, right? So we can call it overall, okay, for one cycle. So you can say for one cycle, go back to the original state, right? So delta U is 0. How about the work? Then you look at here, okay. BC to CD is negative whether BC, CD, but it is higher, right? So the magnitude is bigger. So the work done, the negative work done is magnitude larger. So overall, the work done is negative. So Q equals delta U plus W, also negative. And then the last is a phase to interpret it, okay? So it is negative Q overall. So you have to add the word overall. It's better, okay? So the Q is negative, so the overall heat flow out from the gas. There is an output of thermal energy, so heat flow out from the gas, okay? Okay, next part E, okay. Entropy change, okay. About the entropy, the impacts of this cycle on the surrounding, okay. What is the entropy change, okay? So remember, it is Q over T, right? But it is to the surrounding, on the surrounding. So remember, from the point of view, the surrounding, there is a net heat flow out to the surrounding. Okay, so obviously it has a increase of entropy. So you have to show off. Okay, I remember entropy is change of heat Q over T, and then there's a net increase of Q for the surrounding. So the entropy of the surrounding increases, so the entropy of the surrounding increases. And that's the result. Thank you.